Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about adding multiple monitors to your current computer. Most of the modern computers that you're going to get these days will have an option of adding two video cards. A lot of them will have a display port and an HDMI, or in this case they might have had two display and one HDMI. But your limitation is still going to be two monitors off that computer. One of the things we specialize in is adding video cards to these business class computers. So we found a video card that'll work, that'll give you three monitors, that doesn't require the additional power supply. A lot of the problem with these Dell, HP and Lenovo business class machines is that they've only got a 260 or 300 watt power supply, which won't power the bigger video cards. But we have found that the GT710 2 gig video cards will give you three video outputs. We install that in there and you can actually run three simultaneous monitors. If you want to go beyond that, you've really got to start looking at going with a custom build machine. So we found that the GTX 1660, you can add three or four monitors, and if you want to have a setup like this where you've got 6 monitors, you go with a custom build that's got 2 video cards. Then what will happen is the motherboard's got 2 PCI Express slots, and we put 2 of these video cards and we run 3 monitors off each video card. So if you want to go 3, 4, 6 or even more monitors and you're not sure what to do, come into Impress Computers and we'll get you fixed up. 281-647-9977.